You are the backbone, the quiet current behind busy days, the steady hands that make cities breathe, the rhythm beneath every switch and schedule. You keep plants humming, schools bright, hospitals ready, streets safe. You are first light to last light, the calm and the surge, masters of code and conduit, the skill that turns blueprints into thriving communities. And when weather turns and sirens rise, you don't hesitate. You run toward the dark and bring it back to light. You are the contractors, electricians, line workers, facility teams, engineers and installers, craftsmen of the essential. To us, you're more than customers. You're why we build, why we test, why we never stop improving. From all of us at Intermatic, thank you.